Before we jump in, I do earn a referral fee when you use the services and companies I demonstrate in the video, but there is no additional cost to you. I chose them because they're the best in the industry and you're safe with them. Filing taxes for an LLC with no income. With tax season rapidly approaching, you may be wondering about the process of filing taxes for LLC with no income and if it's even necessary to do so. Ultimately, this depends on the organization's business structure and how it's taxed. To help you better understand, let's briefly review the different types of LLCs and how they can be taxed. This video will be dealing with federal taxation and is for federal income tax purposes, but your state will have its own rules for filing as an LLC for state taxes. Consult your state and local tax agencies and a qualified accountant to ensure that you're meeting all your tax obligations. Do I need to file business taxes if there is no income? There are multiple situations where a limited liability company, LLC, may have a year without activity. This could be a newly formed LLC that has yet to begin doing business, or an older LLC that's fallen into inactivity without being formally dissolved. Depending on how the LLC is structured and taxed, it may need to file a federal income tax return despite having no income. What if I have no income but have business expenses? If you're a member, owner, of an LLC that has business expenses but no income, you'll often still need to file a federal tax return. This is because expenses, including deductions, are considered a business activity subject to federal reporting requirements. How to file taxes for an LLC with no income. The process of filing taxes for LLCs with no income can vary greatly depending on how the specific LLC is structured and taxed. Single-member LLCs. If the LLC is a single-member LLC, the IRS will tax it as a sole proprietorship by default. In this situation, the owner will report any income and expenses on their own personal tax return. You will find this on Form 1040, Schedule C, Profit or Loss from Business, Sole Proprietorship. Multi-member LLCs. If the LLC is a multi-member LLC, the IRS will tax it as a partnership by default. Under a partnership, you'll file Form 1065, Return of Partnership Income, which acts as an informational return to report the LLC's profits, losses, credits, and deductions. The profits or losses pass through to the members, who receive a Schedule K, one to report a breakdown of their respective profits or losses from the business. LLCs taxed as corporations. If you've elected to have your LLC taxed as an S Corp or C Corp, your filing process may look a bit different. If your LLC has what is a C Corporation status, it must file Form 1120 annually, even if it has had no business activity. C corporations aren't pass-through entities and are counted as separate taxpayers. As a result, they must pay a 21% federal corporate tax before distributing earnings as dividends, which are then also taxed at the individual shareholder level. If your LLC has S corporation status, it must file Form 1120 S annually, even if it has had no business activity. Unlike C corporations, S Corp maintain pass-through status, meaning business income and expenses are reported only on the owner's tax returns without first being taxed at the business level. LLC tax filing requirements. An LLC, known as a limited liability company, is an American form of a private limited company offering basic liability protection for its owners. These legal entities are taxed based on how they're organized and structured and may be subject to other reporting and filing requirements. Benefits of filing taxes as an LLC even without business activity. Filing taxes for your LLC, even in the absence of business activity, offers several key benefits. First, it helps ensure compliance with IRS requirements, avoiding potential penalties and complications in future tax years. It also establishes a clear record of your business's financial status, which can be advantageous for audit purposes and when seeking loans or investments, as it demonstrates due diligence and financial transparency. Additionally, reporting expenses without income may allow you to carry forward losses to offset future income, reducing your tax liability in more profitable years. This proactive approach can also simplify the process of reactivating your business, as it maintains a continuous tax filing history, reinforcing your credibility with both financial institutions and the IRS. Filing your taxes under these circumstances underscores responsible business ownership and can facilitate smoother financial management as your business evolves. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to start your own limited liability company, LLC, in the state of West Virginia in 2024. This is a screen-recorded tutorial, and I'll use West Virginia as an example, though the process is similar for most states, so you can understand the full process. That's why this video will be a bit shorter. Okay, so let's get started. After clicking the link in the description, you will land on this page. Hover your mouse over the Services section, and then click on the Form an LLC button. After that, click on the Start Now button, and from here the formation process begins. On the next page, select LLC as your entity type. In the State of Formation option, I'm going to select West Virginia. As you can see, there are 3 different packages: Basic, Standard, and Premium. The first thing that's worth mentioning is that the state fee does not change. You can see it's $125 in all the packages. Like other states, West Virginia also has 3 different plans: Basic, Standard, and Premium. The price of the 3 packages is different, and I'm going to explain why. The Basic package is the cheapest option out of the 3, and this is the package where BZ charges $0 for their service. If you select this option, you simply need to pay the $125 state filing fee, which you have to pay anyway if you file manually. Some of the extra services that are included in this package are preparing and filing the articles of organization, unlimited name searches, free registered agent for 1 year, unlimited phone and email support. Next is the Standard package, which costs $199. This is the package I highly recommend everyone grab because it basically covers everything you'll need to start a business legally. This package includes everything from the Basic package, plus other services like providing and filing for an EIN, which is your business tax number, operating agreement, lifetime company alerts, business bank account, tax consultation, Form 2553, etc. The Premium package costs $299 and is the most expensive of the 3 because it includes 3 extra services: free next-day filing, business contract templates, domain name plus business email. These services are like a cherry on top, which will help you complete your LLC filing faster. In the next section, BZ will ask you to provide your LLC name and its designation. I will just type the name that I used to file an LLC before and select LLC as a designator. Below, BZ will show you how your LLC name will be displayed officially. Next, BZ is asking you to provide your business purpose. I'll just type a random purpose here and click Next. In the next section, they will ask you whether you want an expedited filing service or not, which I already talked about previously. The next section asks you to provide the personal information of the person who will be responsible for this LLC. In the following section, you'll see BZ asking whether you want to use their professional business address or your own business address. In the next part, provide the mailing address of the responsible person of the LLC. Remember, a P.O. box is not allowed in this case. It should be a verified address. Click on the Next button. After that, BZ will ask you whether you want to get a registered agent through them or not. Getting a registered agent is a legal requirement in order to file an LLC in any state, so I highly recommend you choose the free 1-year option and then click the Next button. In the next section, BZ is asking whether you want to get an EIN or not. This is a compulsory requirement for creating a corporation or LLC through your state. I will just provide a random SSN for the sake of creating this video. Below, BZ will ask you to provide the address of the person applying for the EIN. Just click on the second checkbox and use the assigned address that will be provided by BZ, then click Next. In the next section, BZ will ask whether you will set up a small U.S. business bank account with Bank of Relay, which I previously explained at the beginning. Next, BZ will ask whether you want to get a free tax strategy or consultation call with them. Always select the Yes option because it will help make things clearer, like how to run and operate an LLC, how to file taxes, and lots of other things. After that, depending on the type or industry your LLC is involved in, BZ will automatically find out if you need any other business licenses and permits. The cost of these licenses is $99. After selecting the Yes option, Provide the address of your business, where Busy will do additional research on your behalf. After that, Busy will show you your total due amount. Once you are done with the payment, they will start processing your order, and you will receive your LLC formation documents within 3 days to 6 weeks, depending on your package type. So, for just $61 in total, you can register your own LLC today in the state of West Virginia using Busy.